Today I'm going to show you how to cook a very special dish from Catalonia that's called Pan Con Tomate, or bread with tomatoes. And you might laugh because, in fact, my friend was laughing at me. He's saying, Seb, why are you making a video on bread with tomatoes? Well, he's right. It is quite easy to make, but there's this really cool method that I want to show you today that, in combination with fresh ingredients, really makes the end result incredible because it brings out this bouquet of flavors and aromas from the Mediterranean Sea. So all you need is a good bread from the bakery, some juicy, ripe tomatoes. This is the main point. They really need to be nice and juicy or else don't bother. Optionally, you can get some piment d'Espelette. This is a sort of pimento from the Basque region. Some freshly ground peppercorns that you're going to grind yourself, some herbe de Provence or some dried herbs, olive oil, fresh herbs if you like, some sea salt, this is some French sea salt from Camargue, and optionally some Iberian ham. Now this is purely optional, but I bought one today for this video. I'm going to cut this one into thin little slices and toast it in the oven so it goes nice and crispy, and it's going to really add a nice flavorful crunch to the dish. I love to enjoy pan con tomate in the morning with a nice black coffee, but of course in the afternoon as a tapas with a glass of red wine is perfect as well. In fact, at any time of the day. So that being said, here's the super cool and rustic way that I learned how to make pan con tomate during my days spent around the Mediterranean Sea.